So in this video, we will be seeing the comparison operators in C programming. So comparison operators are used for comparing the RHS value to LHS. So used for comparing RHS to LHS, that is right hand side value to left hand side. So in this case, we can use greater than. So suppose I have a value A equal to 5 and value B equal to 6, then I can use a greater than symbol like A greater than B. So it is comparing if A is greater than B. Similarly, I can use greater than equal to in between A and B. A greater than equal to B. Same way, we have other operators, less than equal to. Then also we have 2 times equal to symbol. So equal to, when we are using, it will be assigning RHS to LHS. When we use equal to symbol only once, it will be assigning RHS to LHS. But when we are using it 2 times, it will not assign it, but it will compare the RHS to LHS for equality. So whether they are equal, it will be comparing. So A 2 times equal to B.